Good morning. Today is April 6th. In our devotional, today it says, no excuse for dishonesty. Colossians chapter 3, verse 9 and 10. Do not lie to each other, since you have taken off your old self with its practices and have put on the new self, which is being renewed in knowledge in the image of its creator. Exodus chapter 20, verse 16. You shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. Proverbs chapter 16, verse 28. A dishonest man spreads strife, and a whisperer separates close friends. Proverbs chapter 12, verse 22. The Lord detests lying lips, but he delights in people who are trustworthy. Proverbs chapter 6, verse 16 through 19. There are 6 things the Lord hates. No, 7 things he detests. Haughty eyes, a lying tongue, hands that kill innocent, a heart that plots evil, feet that race to do wrong, a false witness who pours out lies, a person who sows discord in a family. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 25. Therefore, each of you must put off falsehood and speak truthfully to your neighbor, for we are all members of one body. And Proverbs chapter 11, verse 3. Honesty guides good people. Dishonesty destroys treacherous people. And at the bottom, it says, people of God want to live with integrity and honesty, without defending dishonesty. Honesty begins with you. Where do I stand in my relationship with God? How do I feel about my neighbors and myself? It spills over into families where you are honest about what you watch and the message you send. This way you set an example for your children. Avoid dishonest business practices despite the benefits that you think they might have for you. God will reward you for your honesty. And that is our devotional for today, April 6th. We do need to be honest in all things. The tongue is a sharp two-edged sword. Think before you speak. It's something I used to tell my children. Think before you speak, and it's something that I've not always lived by, and I am guilty. But it's something that we should practice, thinking before we speak. Be honest in everything. Honesty is the best. I always think about little children, how one of the first sins a small child will do is lie. It comes by so easily. But we need to be a good example to others. And we need to be as honest as possible, and God will reward us in heaven. But I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. A lot of good things going on there. Bible studies, quizzes will be starting back up next week. Prayer group, fellowship, lots of good things. So join us on there. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Have a blessed day, guys.